And at once at narinig nila yun, parang feeling nila they have the right to use it against you.
Nasaan yung video na yan? Labas nyo. Which is,
Oo.
hindi nga dapat natin trabaho i-explain yung pinagsasabi nila sa battle.
Tanungin mo yung nagsabi nun kung nasan na. Kasi sila nagsabi nun na meron.
So, nung gumawa na sila ng reaction, doon na na-reveal.
Di ba we had Smugglers in one event sa Clubholic before, Reg? After that battle was released and we asked him about that.
And I was laughing about it. Wala lang yun. Battle lang yun.
And yes, dun sa review nila, hindi niya alam na may nag-email kay Shay.
For those people out there, if you want to know further about the story, panoorin nyo rin yun. According to Smugglers, sabi niya, uy, hindi ko alam yan, may nag-email. At sabi din ni Shay, sabi ni Smugglers na ayaw niyang gamitin yun. It was desperate measures na siguro yun. Kasi, syempre,
Titans yun eh.
diba? So, but again, hindi kami masaya doon sa sinabi nila na yun. Kasi yun it created something na beyond our control, beyond your control.
The Midnight Snack.